What is up, guys? This is Cooking with Goose. It's been a while since I made a cooking video. I figured today's the day for one. I'm gonna put some ribs on the grill. I have the ribs right here. And also have some liquid smoke that I'm gonna put on them. Right here, liquid smoke. And just gonna put some on here. There we go. Let's soak in for a few minutes. And then we'll put them on the grill. These probably take about, there, now y'all can see this. All right, so there we go. Got some liquid smoke on there. These will probably take about at least 35 minutes on the grill at a low temperature. But I'll give you a heads up on the next video. We'll see how it progresses, and then we'll go from there. Catch y'all in a bit. All right, guys. Got the ribs on the grill. Put them on the grill. They're gonna probably take about 35 minutes probably. Got it on low. I don't have it on. No, I don't have the gas grill. It's just, I mean, this propane grill on high heat, so it'll probably take about 35 minutes maybe. And I'll check it at 30 just to make sure. But you can check in about 30 minutes just to see what it's like, if you're liking it or not. But it takes about 30 to 40 minutes probably. We'll check back with it, guys, and see how it's coming. All right, there's the finished product. We got some ribs, got some zucchini, some grilled mushrooms, and onions. So dinner's ready. Time to eat.